In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Photoshop inside of ChatGPT, and this is free. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now how do you go ahead and do this? So what you need to do is first go onto Photoshop, and then you want to be logged into an account. And then once you are logged into your Photoshop account, you want to go ahead and click on the bottom left button. Just go ahead and click your profile, click settings. Once you click settings, you want to go over to where it says apps and connectors. Go to Adobe Photoshop, click that, click connect. And then it'll say use Adobe Photoshop and ChatGPT, edit images, add effects, and fine-tune with creative tools. You want to click connect. Once you do that, it'll say Adobe Photoshop is now connected. Back out. To go ahead and use it, click plus, click more, and then you could add Adobe Photoshop, and then you could ask ChatGPT what to do with Adobe Photoshop. And they will do a bunch of different stuff. Not everything. It is a little limited, but they could do a bunch of stuff, which is pretty cool. So that's how you do it. Hopefully the tutorial did help you.